guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I make slime. Now let's start unpacking our slime kit. Which is inside my slime kit is glue. And the second thing we need is cupcake containers. Third thing we need is Elmer's colored glue. And now for the magical liquid. But not least, the sprinkles. Let's start making the slime. The activator. Let me start the mix. A lot of mixing, but now I managed it and now the slime is ready. Let me show you. Now I'm going to keep it in one of these containers. Now that I'm done keeping the slime in the mold, I'm gonna put some sprinkles on it. Very happy with my slime, but now I have to close the lid of my slime because I have to do it before it dries out.